Hello student, welcome to Nice Maths Olympiad problem. M into power 3 plus m into power 2 is equal to 810. Now we are finding the value of m. We are starting our solution. M into power 3 plus m into power 2 is equal to 810. Now first we are solving 8 into power 8 into 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 into power 4 multiplied by 5. After the calculation, after the LCM of this, we are taking LCM for verifying this value. 8 into power 8 into 10, and this will be 2. This is 405, and this is 3. This is 135, and this will be 3 into 45. This will be 3 into 15. This will be 3 into 5. This will be 3 into 3, 5. This will be 5 into 3, and this is 5 into 3. Now this 2, 3, 3, 3, and this 5. 3 into power 3 square, 3 into power 4, and this will be 5. Now 3 into power 4 multiplied by 5. So this is our value of LCM. Now we write 810 is equal to 3 into power 4, and this multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10, and 810 is equal to 81. 3 into power 4 is 81 into as we noted 10 is also equal to 9 plus 1, and 810 is equal to 9 square is also 81, and this 9 plus 1. So this 810 is also 9 square into 9 plus 9 square into 1. Now we write we use this formula into power m into n to power n is equal to n to m plus n, and this will be 8 into power 10 is equal to 9 into power 3 plus 9 into power 2. So that we recall our question. After solving the right side, recall m into power 3 plus m into power 2 minus is equal to 810. Now this will be m into power 3 plus m into power 2 is equal to, we put this value and replace by this 9 into power 3 plus 9 into power 2. So this 9 into power 3 move into this side. This will be m into power 3 plus m into power 2 minus 9 into power 3 minus 9 into power 2 is equal to 0. M into power 3 minus 9 into power 3 plus m into power 2 minus 9 into power 2 is equal to 0. So in next we write m into power 3 minus 9 into power 3 plus m into power 2 minus 9 into power 2 is equal to 0. So in next step we use formula. We get two stages here. Now we use different two formulas. First is a into power 3 minus b into power 3 is equal to a plus b, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and this divided by a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This will be m minus 9 into m square plus m into 9 plus 9 square plus m plus 9 into m minus 9 is equal to 0. M minus 9 square m square plus 9m plus 81 plus m plus 9 is equal to 0. So in next, m minus 9 into m square plus 9 and this 10m plus 81 plus 9 is 90 is equal to 0. So in this we get this side m minus 9 is equal to 0 and m is equal to plus 9. This is our simple solution, simple answer. And now our second side is m square plus 10m plus 90 is equal to 0. Now we use this formula, m is equal to minus b into plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Remember this formula, this is very important formula for Olympiad method. Now we are putting values in this. Our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to 10 and our c is equal to 90. So in this we are not using this. First we use this formula is b square minus 4ac. We use this formula. First 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 90, and this will be 10 square is 100 minus 360. This will be minus 260 and this will be less than 0. So these are rejected and this is not real solution for this question. This side is reject. Now we verify this side and our question is verify this. Our question is m into power 3 plus m into power 2 is equal to 810. So m into power 3 is 9 into power 3 plus 9 into power 2 is equal to 810, and this will be 9 power 3 is 720. 9 plus 81 is equal to 810. After calculation we get 729 plus 81 is also 810 is equal to 810. And now our left hand side is also equal to right hand side and our answer is now verified. Our value of m is also 9. Thank you for watching video till end. Hope you will understand. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.